Hey, what's up guys? This is Tobin here.
And Shanna.
From the 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today we're going to show y'all how we introduce new chickens to our existing flock. We just got home from the flea market. Go watch that video. I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. But we got back with 4 new chickens, and we're going to have to introduce them to our flock. If we just go turn them in right away with the existing chickens, they're going to beat them up and could possibly even kill them. And that's Sarah stomping through the house, slamming doors behind us. That's life. So let's go show you the chickens, and then we'll take them down there and show you how we're going to do it.
I'm scared.
All right, everybody. So there's the new chickens. Babe, tell me again what kind they are.
He said they're a red heritage. I think they
Cross
are
with a red heritage
a cross between a red production and a Rhode Island red, I think is what the cross is. Okay. So,
all right, guys. We brought the Fuller down here. We're gonna load them on the trailer. It's easier to carry them.
Cool that they lay down when you start moving them. Like that.
Just like that.
I just have to go really slow.
Yep. Alright guys, so we have an old video of us building this coop. Since that video, we've actually gone in and made a section on the bottom down here. So this part right here, all right there, is for the chickens to go, like if we get new chickens, to put them underneath there. So that's what we're going to do with our chickens. That part that Reed opened right there, we're going to put them in there. Our chicken waterer, one of the chicken nipples, there's one inside there, so they'll have water, and all we gotta do is just get them feeding. Yep, go watch the video. Me and Reed made a video of us making a watering system.
That's correct. Right there. Yeah, we made that.
Right there. So that's where we're gonna put them. Now I realize that's kind of small, but the plan is, how long we're gonna leave them in there for, babe?
I'm gonna probably do it for 2 days. So 48 hours maybe, and then I'm going to start letting them out with all the other flock and leave that gate closed.
Okay, right there.
Back here for a week or so to introduce them that way.
Yeah. So we're gonna leave them in here for a few days, and then let them get acclimated where the other chickens can be around them. We're gonna close this gate the whole time and leave the chickens in this run, and then we'll eventually let them all out together, right? That's basically the plan?
Basically, yeah.
Okay.
That's the best way to describe it.
Yeah. So guys, if at any point the chickens aren't doing good, we're gonna go back a step. So whatever step we're on, we'll back up and just kind of take it slower. We're gonna go at their speed. So if it's, you know, what are you doing over there, buddy? You're making a lot of noise.
Opening their
chicken block. So that's a plan. What on there?
Done 2 dosers.
He's got one.
You look scary.
Grab her. Don't let her go.
Why do you have her backwards? She was facing this way when I grabbed her.
River doesn't like that we're over here making these new ones. Look at him. Isn't that funny?
It is very funny.
Like, what are y'all doing over here? They aren't even his ladies yet, and he's already protecting them. Get over. Psst. Psst. There you go. Grab her.
actually fits them pretty good.
Yep, they'll be just fine in there for a couple days.
They're a little dumb. They're eating poop right now.
Yeah, they may be hungry. They'll find that food over there.
Good here.
Hey guys, it's almost nighttime. It is
6:24.
6:24. So, had some clouds move in.
It's supposed to start
Here.
raining tonight.
So, anyway, we're gonna run down here and check on the chickens real quick. The new chickens, see how they're doing.
It is 6:30 at night, and he is up on that coop.
Skylar, come here.
River. River. He needs to get down.
Well, guys, I don't know if y'all can see them, but they're all in there.
There's a light on. Hi, ladies.
Hey, get down, go inside.
Yeah, go that way with her.
Skylar, move. Get down.
River, get down. Skylar.
Get down. There. Make her get back. Get in there. Come on, bro. You can't go through there. There you go. You know how to do this.
Go up.
We got me checking out the new ladies. What's up, ladies? How you doing?